Hi guys. I was kind of on the fence about sharing this audio clip that I'm gonna put after this video. A lot of you guys have asked or commented about how dire the situation is in Venezuela. A lot of you guys just see pictures. Some of you see kind of like the cover image of a video and already kind of guess what it is that is going on. Some of you read stuff. Some of you listen to me, which, if you've known me, it's been a lot of things that I've said to you about why Venezuela is in the brink of destruction. Today, a friend of mine sent me an audio clip from where they live, and it's in a neighborhood in Caracas called La Urbina, which coincidentally used to be a place where I used to work in the last years that I spent in Caracas. And this is a middle-class neighborhood. There's some factories in there and a lot of residential buildings because people live to work nearby. So there's a lot of people living around there. And it's also very close to a very popular area called Petare, which is one of our biggest, if not one of the biggest, Latin American slums. And it's a very controversial area, but La Urbina, where this is happening, it was staple middle class area where you would find people of any kind, very thriving, very booming, and this is literally how they're spending their nights. I want to warn you, it was really tough for me to listen to this. Basically because I know the sounds of this place. I know how it is, and usually at night, just you listen to some music coming from the stray car that zips by, or the distant sounds of the freeway, or some residential sounds of people coming and going in their houses, some horns maybe. And because they were close to Petare, sometimes you would hear some gunshots in the night, but nothing like this. The closest that I've heard something like this was in 2002, when I myself was part of the protests, and this was my day-to-day. But I thought that was in the past. So, yeah. Listen if you want for education. If you still want to know how to help, hit me up. There are many places where we can go and donate money, or we can go and educate other people about what's going on. It's just very frustrating to see that other situations take precedence over what's going on in my country when it's so close to my heart. So the audio follows. You're welcome to click away, but just so that you learn how the reality is, I will continue.
Nueve y 19 de la noche, 26 de junio, puente 5 de junio, La Urbina. Detonaciones. Una guerra. Todos los manifestantes corren. entrar. ¡Qué horrible! Los guardias están adentro. Alonso, retírate de la ventana, coño.